Hey there. If you're wondering what happens if your tenant doesn't pay rent on time, Real Property Management Prestige has it all covered. We understand that timely rent payments are crucial, and we're here to handle the entire process for you. Here's how we manage late payments. Rent is always due on the first of the month with a 4-day grace period. If it's unpaid by the 5th, it's officially late. Days 2 through 4, during the grace period, we reach out through daily emails, texts, and calls reminding the tenant to settle their balance. On the 5th, if the rent is still unpaid, a late fee is applied, and we continue our daily communication efforts. Day 6 and 7, we keep in touch with the tenant daily still, and we're encouraging them to pay. By day 8, if the tenant hasn't paid, we may offer a payment plan as a final step to avoid eviction. If the tenant is non responsive, we'll start the eviction process by sending a 3-day notice to vacate. Day 15, if there's still no payment and the tenant hasn't responded to our plan, we proceed with filing an eviction lawsuit in the Texas court. Our team follows Texas laws every step of the way while working hard to resolve any issues. With Real Property Management Prestige, you can rest easy knowing your property is in capable hands. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.